Hello and good morning, friends. It is Wednesday, and I am ready to get our day started. Are you? Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with days of the week.
Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, roar. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, 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 roar. Days of the week. Days of the week. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Days of the week. Days of the week. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Days of the week. And days of the week. And Saturday is okay to bark like a dog. Saturday is okay to snort like a hog. And Sunday is the one day to chill with your chinchilla. Go ape like a gorilla with the ants and the antilla. It's always such a thriller. Days of the week.
Alrighty, friends, now that we reviewed the days of the week through our song, now we need to just review them in order. Ready? Excuse me. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Okay. The name of the month is November. November. Everybody say November. November. Good job. Okay. So now we need to find out what today is. If yesterday was Tuesday, then today is Wednesday, and that means tomorrow will be Thursday. Yes, tomorrow will be Thursday, but today is Wednesday. So let's count to find out the date. Ready? 1, 2, do it with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoops, leave that there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay, so today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Excuse me. All right, friends. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What is the weather like today, friends? So, we need to talk about thumbs up or thumbs down. So I want you to show me, okay? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. It is snowing today. No, it's not snowing today. It's not cold enough. It was cold last night, though. All right, how about it is sunny outside today? It's pretty sunny outside today. I think there was a little bit of rain last night, but mostly it's sunny. And today, it seems super sunny outside. So it is sunny outside. Our shape of the week. Last week was a triangle. Good job. It is a triangle. Okay, so it is a triangle, which means there are 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners or angers. Nope, that's not the word. Angles. Silly Miss Swain. So today we're going to watch a video about triangles.
What shape should we sing about next? Let's try triangle. I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. An arrow or a tree. A tree. You can make the theme. I can be a mountain. Let's climb the mountain. I can be a hat. Do I look stylish? I can be the ears. Hello there. On a kitty cat. Meow kitty kitty. I can be the beak on a birdie. I can be a nose. Yes, I'm tight. I can be a corn chip. Crunchy. I can be the sail. Hoist the sail. On a sailing ship. Ahoy. I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. A rocket ship or a TV. Wowie. You can't make the thing. I see. I'm a triangle. We're glad we tried the triangle.
So remember, a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. 3 sides and 3 angles or corners. Can you make a triangle? Just take these 2, your pointer fingers and your thumbs, and put them together. And when you look at it, it looks like a triangle. All right, friends. And our color last week was black. It was black. The cat is black. The dog is black. The tires are black. The guitar is black. And that candle over there behind me is black. Black was our color last week. This week, our color of the week is orange. Everybody say orange. Orange. Good job. So pumpkin, this pumpkin is orange. This flower is orange. These oranges are orange. And that clownfish right there, super cute little clownfish, is orange. And our shape of this week, the shape of the week this week is an oval. Yes, it's an oval. An oval is like a squished circle, right? So, if you show me a circle with your hands, show me the best circle you can make. They're not going to be perfect. And then you squish those together. That's what an oval looks like. An oval is just like a squished circle. An oval. All right, moving on. We need to go over our alphabet. Today we're going to clap while we say our alphabet. So let's clap the alphabet, okay? So for every letter we're going to clap. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job, friends. Thank you for clapping the alphabet with me. Okay. And moving on to counting, let's count to 10. Ready? We're going to count all the way to 10, and then we'll get our rockets out, and we will do our countdown. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. So we counted all the way to 10. Great work. Kiss your brain. But now we're going to count back from 10. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, friends. So we counted all the way back from 10 to 0. Oh, next is Miss Swain's favorite. It's the turkey song.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 10 Little Turkeys by the Learning Station. Available in single song download.
10 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flapping far away, but the other 9 decided to stay. 9 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen.
One little
Turkey flew out of the gate, and when he was gone, there were 8. 8 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 7 decided to stay.
7 little
Turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hid with the chicks, and when he was gone, there were 6.
6
Little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other
5
decided to stay. 5 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey hopped out the door, and when he was gone, there were 4. 4 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the other 3 decided to stay.
3
Little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flapped her wings and flew, and when she was gone, there were 2. 2 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. One little turkey flew far away, but the last one decided to stay. One little turkey sat in his pen. Hide, turkey, hide, said the little red hen. The last little turkey flew off toward the sun, and when he was gone, there were none. Friends, okay, so we are going to move on to Humpty Dumpty. Let's say it together, and then we'll watch it today. Ready? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Okay, let's go watch.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
I'm not sure what happened there with Humpty Dumpty, other than he fell off the wall again. But whatever happened, friends, have a super fabulous day. I miss you all, and I can't wait to see you soon. Be nice to your friends. Be nice to mommies and daddies. Make sure that we're making the most out of this time at home and that you're still learning and still working. I love you, friends. See you soon. Mwah.